In our other videos about our chicken coop, you may have seen our little chicken tractor in the background. Right now we have a couple silkies and some babies in it. We let some of the silkies hatch. Well, we let the silkies hatch some eggs, and they've got 7 little babies in it. Works pretty well for that. Kind of as a little separate brooder, so that the babies have their own space and the other chickens don't bug them too much. And we like to pull it right up here by their outdoor run so that they can see each other. See this little Rhode Island Red. So she sees the babies and they kind of are somewhat acquainted before we put them in with the rest of the flock. So they're not total strangers and maybe they won't get pecked too much.
Bean just pecked nutmeg.
So this here is a little kind of an entry little door. It's basically, whoop, somebody's getting it over there. It's basically just a frame that you lift up. It comes completely out. We toss corn, corn cobs, whatever in there. That's nutmeg. They call the black one beanie. So this gives them a little area. It's totally encased, the frame is, in chicken wire. Needs reinforced in a few spots, but overall it does okay. We, knock on wood, haven't had anything penetrate it. We've got the door here. When we first got the tractor, there wasn't anything covering this opening, which really worried me. I couldn't sleep at night thinking that there were baby chickens out here and this door was totally open. So Hubs found just an old piece of our barn, and we just, or the barn metal anyhow, and we just stick it in there. It worked perfect. We slide it down. It gets pretty tight, as you can see. Each morning, just slide it up, and they come in and out as they please. And then you'll see up on the roof, it's got some of the plexiglass panel, so they get a little daylight. And we've got some wheels here on the side. He's got them pulled off now so that it sits flat on the ground. But when we transport it, we just put the wheels on, which pulls it up a good bit, and hook a chain to the front. There's a little handle. We hook a chain to the front and pull it around with the
lawnmower.
Thank you. And then the back here opens up. It's pretty heavy. We just have a little brace here to keep it open for when we're getting in and out. And then you'll see there are a couple roofs there, which we didn't build this tractor, so it came like this. We generally don't like our roofs, our 2x4s to be upright like that. It's better if they're flat, but these chickens aren't in here long enough to roost. It's got like 4 nesting boxes. Then we've got the baby's food and water in here, and Hubs made them a little ramp so they can come up and down out of the nesting boxes. And he can climb in down here and get to them if he needs to. We're not sure if this plastic stuff has any insulating factor at all. It was just there when we got it, and we haven't done anything to pull it out.
It probably doesn't anymore. It's been packed.
Yeah.
But it's hot enough in there already.
Yep.
Okay.
There we have it.